Greeting dear children, we are doing question number 7 of exercise 2.4. Shirt cloth and trouser cloth are in the ratio 3:2. Although it is written little later in the question, it is given for every 3 meter of shirt cloth, 2 meter of trouser cloth is required. So ratio of shirt cloth to trouser cloth is 3:2. So let the cloth purchased for shirt be 3x meter and for trouser be 2x meter respectively. Cost of 1 meter shirt cloth is rupees 50. For 3x meter it will be 3x into 50, that will be 150x meter. Profit percent is given to be 12%. So what will be the SP? What is the formula for SP? SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. Let us put the value 100 plus 12%. So this is 112 upon 100 into CP is 150x. The 0 will cancel. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10, and what will be there by multiplying these two? By multiplying these two, we will be getting 56 into 3, that is equal to 168x. This is in rupees. This is SP. SP of what? SP of shirt. Similarly, now we will get the SP of trouser material. What is given here? SP of 1 meter trouser cloth is rupees 90. So SP of how much meter? 2x meter. SP of 2x meter trouser cloth is rupees 90 into 2x, that is equal to rupees 180x. This is not SP. SP नहीं है, ये CP है. और प्रॉफिट कितना दे रखा है? प्रॉफिट दे रखा है 10%. प्रॉफिट परसेंट 10%. So what will be the SP? Again the same formula, 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. Put the value, 100 plus 10 is 110 upon 100 and CP here is 180x. 1 0 cut here, 1 here. 18 ones by 18, 18 ones by 18 and 1. Answer is SP of trouser is this. So what is the total SP? Total SP means SP of shirt plus SP of trouser. So let's get it. SP of shirt, what have we got here? 168x and it is 198x. Adding these two, 8 and 8, 16, 6, this, 366x. This is total SP. But what is given here in the question? The total sale is 36,600 rupees. According to given total sale, the total SP is 36600 rupees. So equate these two. ये उसका SP आया था 366x is equal to 36,600. So x will be equal to 36600 upon 366. So x will be 100. X is 100. So what is asked from us? only we have to find how much trouser material did he buy. Therefore, trouser material bought is equal to trouser material bought was 2x respectively. So 2 into x, so 2 into 100 meter, that is equal to 200 meter. If they had asked for shirt material, then it's 3 into 100, 300 meter. I hope you have understood. Once again, please see this question once again, step by step. What is given in this question? Question has, Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for uniform, shirt material and trouser material at 50 and 90 respectively per meter. But shirt cloth is for every 3 meter of shirt cloth, he buys 2 meter trouser cloth. So ratio of shirt cloth to trouser cloth is 3:2. Let the shirt and trouser cloth be 3x and 2x meter respectively. Cost of 1 meter shirt cloth 50 rupees. So 3x meter shirt cloth is 50 into 3x 150x rupees. Profit percentage 12%. So how to get SP? SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. So 112 upon 100 into 150x. After cancelling we get 168x. Similarly for trouser cloth, because 1 meter was having the cost 90 rupees. So 2x meter will have 180x. Profit percent here is 10%. SP will be 198x. Total SP means SP of shirt plus SP of trouser. Add these two. It is given total SP, a total sale is 36,600. Equate these two. X is obtained 100. So x is 100. We are to find trouser material. Trouser material will be 2 into x meter. 2 into 100 meter. That is equal to 200 meter. Understood this question? Now, can we do the question number 9? It is very easy. Question number 9 is, a grandfather is 10 times older than granddaughter. So, let the age of granddaughter, this is question number 9. Let granddaughter age x year, grandfather's age, because he is 10 times, so his age will be 10x years. And also it is given that he is also 54 years older than her. It means the difference of their age will be 54, right? Or 10x is equal to x plus 54. According to given, grandfather is age is equal to 54 year older. So granddaughter's age plus 54 year. So 10x is equal to x plus 54. Keep this x on this side. 10x minus x is 9x. 9x is equal to 54. So find the value of x. 54 upon 9. 9 6 of 54. Therefore, granddaughter's age 6 years and grandfather's age is equal to 10 into x, yani 10 into 6, that is equal to 60 years. Hope you have understood this question. Thank you very much.